Hi guys, this is part 20 of playing Subway Surfers, and let's go. I might, I might be maybe retiring this series soon, but I don't know yet. Let's go. So, for this, okay. So first, let's talk about the streamer awards. So I think for the streamer awards, I think Breakout Streamer of the Year goes to Rakai, because Rakai has more. Rakai has he's viral this year more, and Rakai is newer because DDG was bigger from he was already big on TikTok. He was already big on TikTok, and he was already big on TikTok and YouTube, and he makes music too. So they seem everywhere there. He gets content from all three of those platforms, right? But Rakai just makes music. YouTube, he went on YouTube, but he wasn't big on there ever. And then we have DDG, and then we have Wendy Ortiz. She was big on YouTube and TikTok before this. And she also was big on TikTok Live. And DDG also grinds on Kick as well. And then we have, and DDG collabed before. And that was already big too. And Extra Emily, it could go to Extra Emily, but Extra Emily was already on Twitch before this. And then we have, and then for music stream of the year, I think it goes to Plague Max because of his doing, I think it goes to Plague Max because of him doing, In the Booth. Cause DDG makes music, but his music's not streaming worthy. He has a whole streaming team for music. And I think, roleplay streamer, for roleplay was the Phantom. Phantom plays a lot of GTA 4, GTA 3, and a lot of shooting games and everything, so it goes a roleplay game, so it goes to him. And then streamer of the year has to go to Speed over Kai. Because Speed has My Mom is Kinda Homeless reunion. He had the Halloween stream with Cuffum. He had the stream that he did where he did the ending celebration for Ronaldo. And he also got Ronaldo's Instagram doing that stream. He also had he also had the American tour that he did. He also did the China tour. He also did the My Mom's Kinda Homeless reunion stream. He also did the Fortnite tournament. He also did the Euro Part 2 stream. He also did the Fortnite tournament with him. And he also did the return to Twitch. And we also have I forgot about the Mario tour, the Mario thing he did with when he did the Mario gaming. And then we also have Machidon 2. And then we also have he also did Geometry That no. He also did Clash Royale with Jinxie. And we have the Fortnite tournament he did with Jinxie as well. And then he's also been grinding and playing Fortnite with his viewers. And then he's been doing a lot of Fortnite. He went to Thailand. He relaxed at home as well. And then he's been doing desktop, reactions and everything, all that stuff. Speed only has the America. Speed only has he only has in the mood. What's his name? Flagboy Max broke up. Flagboy Max, he broke up with his girlfriend already. His new girlfriend already. I think it's about something that he went to me in the internet or something like that. I get that. Flagboy Max is a streamer, and he makes TikTok videos, and he makes YouTube videos, so he gotta be on camera, you know what I mean? He gotta be on camera. And DDG said if he wins Streamer of the Year, that he's gonna do 30 days. He's gonna do every single day for 30 days. He's gonna make a vlog. Every day. So after 30 days, he's not gonna make any more vlog. If he wins Breakout Streamer of the Year or Music Streamer of the Year, if he doesn't win any, you'll see him do his once a month vlogs. That means for that month, that month, no gaming, no IRL, no streaming, no nothing. Just locking them. And Speed's doing the African tour, hoping to Ethiopia and Nigeria. Let's lock in. Okay, jump. The goal is to get to 6,000 coins. Okay, yes, we're winning now. Now we're gonna get 6,000 coins. Wait. And then Speed's doing the Africa tour in December. So I hope he goes to Ethiopia to Lucy. He goes to Nigeria and everything. And after the Africa tour, Speed said he's gonna be going to. He's gonna either do the Middle East tour, or he's either gonna do this one other country tour. He also announced that the Russian tour is coming in 2026. And he also said that the Russian tour, the African tour, is gonna start in December 2025. He's gonna be there he's gonna be in Africa during New Year's, and then it's gonna end in January 2026. So we're gonna start in 2025 and end in 2026. Hidden Robin Stream of the Year, yeah. And Hidden Gem for I think the Hidden Gem for the Best Female Stream of the Year goes to Wendy Ortiz. Because Cinna was already big from the beginning. Wendy Ortiz just started grinding. She started grinding it out. Wendy Ortiz. Okay, grind right now. Let's grind it out. Come on, 6,000 points. Let's go. More locking in, less talking. Yes, jetpack again. Yes, jetpack again, guys. Okay. I got the jetpack. I got this in the bag. Next one. Down. Turn, down, up. Up. Told you. Do it. Okay, but if you like this video, go like, share, subscribe, and help me get to 1.7K. Help me get to 1.7K and nothing.